Hi everyone, it's me Kisa.
And it's me, Risky.
And today we have
MunchPak.
MunchPak, another one. It's been a bit since we had one, but look at their updated box and everything. It's kind of nice, and it's wrapped in plastic. We did get this a few days ago, and just been so busy with the holidays that we haven't gotten to unboxing it, so let's go ahead and cut it open.
Yeah. What's gonna be tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Tomorrow was Thursday.
Tomorrow was Thursday. So I can't be out in the living room right now. Some of the kids are watching TV and I didn't want the background noise, so we're trying to film in my bedroom, but I'm in the middle of cleaning and decluttering. Anyway, so first thing in our MunchPak is a very cute sticker. Very New Year's and festive. I like it. What do you think?
Cute.
Very cute. And this MunchPak was made with love just for you by Elizabeth. And you can enter to win a free family pick, which is, you can enter to win a free family pack from MunchPak, which is pretty cool. This is a MunchPak original. Like usual, MunchPak has their own little paper. Woo! And here's our preliminary look inside of our MunchPak. And we'll go ahead and introduce everything before we go ahead and try it. So first up we have Chick Chack hot and spicy flavor. Everything now has a little sticker on it that tells you the country they're from, and these are from Israel. We have got some Cheetos balls from Mexico that have this little wrapper.
I don't like Cheetos balls.
You don't like Cheetos balls? They're slightly spicy. Probably not as much as Flaming Hots, though.
No.
Fabitos bacon bits with ketchup from Brazil.
Oh,
You can see those here.
those are my favorite.
Those are your favorite. And we did get a drink in our box, too.
Was it?
Carefully wrapped in plastic wrap. Carousel Gourmet Soda, green apple flavor, and this is from the USA. I don't know how close I'm holding things to the camera because I'm using a different camera, so I hope it's okay. We have got some snowman gummies from Spain, and they say that they are strawberry and apple flavors.
I love strawberry.
Some toxic waste nuclear fusion from Brazil. And it says a burst of 2 flavors in every piece. And they are hazardously sour candies.
Yeah, I like sour.
You like sour? We've got Cocumel. I'm not sure if I'm doing that right. Strawberry marshmallow cookies from Turkey.
Ooh.
You like strawberry?
Yeah.
Now this one I've had before actually. It is Puchao. It's from Japan, and this is the Ramune flavor. Chewy candy flavored like Ramune soda. We get this from the Asian market we go to in Spokane.
Oh.
So we have this really big Kit Kat, Kit Kat chunky peanut butter, and it's from Poland. Better view without the sticker. We'll put the sticker on the back. Oh my god! I wanted to try one of these, but I didn't buy one. It is a Reptar on Ice chocolate bar from the United States. I loved Rugrats so much back when I was younger. I'm going to take off this sticker so you can see. It turns your tongue ice blue, and I'm so excited to give that a shot. Look at that. You see that? That's Reptar. Oh!
Ice blue?
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited too.
You're so excited too. Oh, and I love this Pocky. This is Glico's Winter Melt Pocky. It's from Japan. It's kind of like Melty Kiss and Pocky had a baby. So Melty Kiss is these little cubes of, it's either chocolate, strawberry, green tea. Sometimes they have a milk tea flavor, and they're dusted with cocoa powder on the outside. And they've been my favorite for so long. Like,
Whoa! Those are my
long time. Like 19 years now. No, 18 or 19 years. A long time I've loved them. And I tried this Pocky before. I absolutely like this one. It's one of the few flavors that I really like as much anymore. I like this one, and I like the coconut one. So much. So we've got a yummy Pocky. Now I have to take a quick picture for the thumbnail, and I will be right back, guys. Okie dokie, so we are back, and we're going to try out our snacks already. Right, Ricio? Okay, what do you want to try first?
Sour.
You want to try the sour candy?
Yeah.
So we are going to try the toxic waste nuclear fusion. Nuclear. So the toxic waste. We are going to try the toxic waste nuclear fusion candy first, and they are from Brazil. Yummy.
Yeah.
I do.
I made meow sound.
So I should have brought scissors into the room. All I brought was my X-Acto knife, which I set over there. Okay. Oh.
Open the bag.
I am opening the bag and trying not to cut either of us.
You did cut.
So this one is raspberry lemon.
Oh, raspberry lemon.
Would you like to try that?
Oh.
And I will try, nope, not banana blueberry, I'm not. I'll also try a raspberry lemon one. So one, oh no! So, oh no! So we're dropping stuff all over the place. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, good. How sour is it? Oh my god!
Sour!
I just dropped it on the floor, hold on.
It's super sour to me.
It's super sour. Juicy. Yeah. Okay. So here is it. It's the raspberry lemon. It's just a nice light pink.
Just a nice light pink candy.
Oh. Oh. Oh, stick it all in your mouth. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's...
Yay, 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 yay.
Oh, okay. Oh. Nope. Oh, wow. I'm sweating. Ooh. Oh my gosh. That is too much for me. Do you like it? Is it too much sour?
No.
Look at your face. You should look at the camera. Her eyes are getting pinker around them. Ah, I couldn't do
What's your
it.
gay pink?
Around the outside. You like that? Well, you have it in your cheek. Put it on your tongue. Put it on your tongue. Don't hide it in your cheek.
It doesn't taste sour anymore.
Did you get all the sour off? Is there fizzy on the inside? Are you okay?
Yeah.
You like it? Oh, wow. Okay, well, I don't know if there's fizzy on the inside. It sort of looked like there was. Oh, that's very sour. I think my brother and my dad would like that a lot. They like sour candies, but why did I try the strongest one first? Okay.
Try something else.
Yeah, I will try something else. I'm gonna try hot and spicy flavor Chick Chat, but it has this sticker. Again, the stickers are great, but I wish they were on the back. So, I'm going to try hot and spicy Chick Chat.
I feel so...
Flavored snacks. And they're little squares. Okay, why do they say Oppenheimer, USA, but they're from Israel? Oh, okay, I see. U.S. imported. I see. Okay, we'll give them a try. The package sort of makes them look like dog food. They're not dog food. Or cat treats. They are these cute little squares.
Oh, I want
that are
that's KFC.
See-through-ish. Well, I mean, you can see through them. Like that.
The hot spicy things?
So we've got these. They are hot and spicy Chick Chack. I don't know how well you guys are seeing anything. Here, go ahead and try one.
Chick Chacks?
Chick Chack.
It's not that spicy.
It's really not. I don't know.
It's like sour to me.
I don't know. Those are not hot and spicy to me very much at all.
We should make it more hot and spicy.
Starches, flavorings, salt, sugar, silicon dioxide, natural food coloring, spices, flavor enhancer, MSG, and vegetable stabilizer. I don't know. I think I can eat the entire pack, this entire little pack, and not really think that it's spicy. But they're not bad, they're just not a lot of flavor. Oh, I don't know if this is a twist or if I need to go get
Slumping.
Oh, nope, it's a twist off.
Oh, it's a twisty.
So we're gonna try the Carousel Gourmet Soda Green Apple flavor. You can try first.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Sour.
I don't think it's supposed to be sour. I think my taste buds died after the sour thing. I mean, there's a little bit of green apple flavor, but I don't drink a lot of soda anymore, so I can definitely taste the high fructose corn syrup, and I don't super like it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to go ahead and try these. They're bacon bits from Brazil, and let's give them a shot.
That was just KFC. He doesn't like them.
Well, they look like pork rinds.
They look like chicken nuggets.
But they're wheat dough, so I don't know why they're called bacon bits. So see, they kind of look like pork rind. Want to try? Here we go.
Tastes yucky. Tastes
What?
yucky. Tastes yucky to me. The bacon bits. You just can eat the whole packet. You can eat it. You eat the whole packet all gone.
So they are flavored like bacon and ketchup. Bacon flavor and a sweet ketchup.
Mommy.
Oh, there's a ketchup packet in. Oh, that's what they meant. There's a ketchup packet in it, but I don't know if I'm supposed to
Hey, Mommy. I want
dump it
those.
in the whole bag or not.
Uh,
Okay, so these came with a ketchup packet in it, and I'm not sure
ketchup.
if I should put the ketchup in the bag and like shake it up or what, but on their own, they're interesting. I will try this in a little bit with the actual ketchup. But for now, let's try something else. Okay? What? You got me snowman? No. Okay. So next we're going to try Cocomel. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. It's probably not. These strawberry marshmallow cookies from Turkey. So let's give them a shot.
Turkey.
Oh, they're cute. But the little tray has seen better days. Tray. So a fair bit of them are, well, a couple of them have broken
Mommy.
tops of the chocolate. But it's just this little thing. It's nice. It's small. Got a coating of chocolate. Very strawberry smell. Let's give it a shot.
I give it a shot. It's yummy.
So it's got a little cookie on the inside, strawberry flavored marshmallow, and then the chocolate coating. Thankfully, there's not jam or anything in it. I know some people would like it to have jam. I like it, even though I don't super love strawberry flavored things. I like it without it, though. So, I don't know why we need that. We're going to try the Cheeto balls from Mexico that are slightly spicy. Cheetos bolitas. Oh, they're little! And they're not exactly balls. Ooh, they smell spicy. Well,
not spicy.
They tried to do balls, but they're a little
funky.
Funky. What's this? Why does it have this thing? Okay. Whatever that is goes all the way around. It's like some advertisement thing. Oh, okay.
Yeah. It does taste good.
So they taste fine. There's a little bit of a kick. It's not bad.
It tastes like ramen.
Does it taste like ramen?
Yeah.
You want another one?
Yeah.
They're pretty good, actually. I could eat this entire bag.
I can eat this entire bag.
Could you eat the entire bag?
Hmm?
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. I wasn't sure what I was going to think, but definitely not bad. Let's do Gummy Snowman.
Gummy snowman?
The Gummy Snowman from Spain. That's what we're going to try next.
Gummy snowman?
Strawberry or apple?
Strawberry.
Okay, so she's going to try strawberry and I'll try the apple.
Gummy snowman?
Oh, they're really cute. Okay.
I want my...
So, they're little snowmen. This is the strawberry, clearly, and that's the apple. So there you go, strawberry and apple. Okay.
Mm.
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 What do you think?
Good. Because I gave it a thumbs up.
It's not a very strong taste, but it is definitely an apple taste. It's not super artificial. I actually kind of like that. So I'll see with the white part if that tastes any different.
Yeah, it's not to eat.
Yeah, the white part doesn't really have too much of an apple taste, but it's definitely not bad. Mix it up a little more so camera can see you. Okay, so we're actually almost done with our box. We only have 4 things left. We're gonna go ahead and do the Kit Kat Crunchy with peanut butter, from Poland. You almost ready to try it? Almost. I like trying Kit Kats from other countries because I don't super love American Kit Kats anymore. Oh, look it. It comes with 3 little pieces that maybe you can break off and then we can share it better. Oh, look at that. A piece for you.
Whoa.
With very peanut flavor. I mean, very peanut smelling. There we go. So that's the inside. And its own little chunk.
It's a little chunk?
Mm-hmm.
What's a chunk?
Chunk.
Chunk?
So I'm going to look on the inside. Yeah, definitely just some peanut butter. Let's try that. Mmm.
And I'm feeling the chunk.
Hey, Skoo.
Well,
to me it was okay. The peanut butter is not as strong as American peanut butter, I guess, or the brand I use. I just use the Walmart brand of peanut butter. So it's okay. I've definitely had other flavors of Kit Kats that I like better. Hi, Skooky's butt. And now we've got a kitty butt. Hi. I gotta do video. Okay?
kitty video.
Hi.
Kitty video. It's now a kitty video with MunchPak.
Well, so now that we've been video bombed by Squee. I'm actually going to try the, well, would you like to try the Poo Chow?
Poo Chow?
This one.
Oh, the Poo Chow. Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Poo Chow from Japan.
Oh,
no.
Well, the Poo Chow taste.
You've had it before.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But oi.
So it's got a somewhat clear spot, and then it has the blue stripes on just a pretty little white chewy. Go ahead. You can let everybody know what you think. You try it and show the camera.
Good.
Good. I don't really need to try that one. I don't really need to try this one because I already know I like it. But I'm going to have some anyway. Hi. Hi. So it comes with 2 packs with multiple little sticks. 2 of them broke the little handle piece off, but that doesn't really bother me. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
So it's got a somewhat thicker coating than regular Pocky, and it's got like some powder, some cocoa powder on the outside, and it's so good together.
Google.
Hi.
Googie. Nothing yet.
No, not for kitties. Not for kitties.
Oh. Not for kitties.
Finish your piece and then you can try that. Although you've had it before. Hi. I got a Squee kiss. So this is Squee. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen Squee quite a bit because I take a lot of pictures of him. He is my favorite little tiger baby. My favorite tiger baby in the entire world.
I can't see the big tiger baby.
You're a big tiger baby?
Can't see it.
Oh.
He has a lot of colors.
Kimi is one of my favorite tiger men. He's my favorite tiger man. But this
And
is my favorite
Kirsty's
tiger.
a kitty girl.
A kitty girl?
Yeah.
Okay. So last, but definitely not least, the one I've been waiting for, the Reptar on Ice Bar! And I'm so excited. I want to see my tongue turn blue. So it was actually at that point that my camera decided to stop recording, and I didn't realize it. So I entirely missed Rissy and I trying the candy bar and Rissy's tongue going fairly blue. Mine only went a little blue, but it might have been because I was talking so much and not eating like I normally do. I don't know. It was a pretty cute candy bar, and I think if I just ate the entire thing without trying to record a video at the same time, my tongue would go blue. It was still super fun to try it because it was a throwback to my childhood and watching Rugrats and really, really wanting to try a Reptar bar. So I really want to try the green one sometime too. But yeah. So we missed our entire outro. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can see when we do upload. And we do like to unbox subscription boxes, and I do plan to do more Japanese DIY candy kits and finally do the Whipple kits that I bought to do decorating. I bought them right after my surgery and then didn't get around to them because I didn't have a good enough voice for a while to really project and talk. So thank you guys so much. See you next time. Okay, so I forgot that I was going to try these with the ketchup. So let's go for it then. I don't know about eating potato chips with ketchup, even though I eat fries with ketchup. Okay, so what? Oh, it's weird. The entire idea is weird. Oh, it's just definitely ketchup, obviously, but okay. I don't think I put enough for how much chip I ate. So, let's try again. Okay. Oh. actually makes them a bit better. They're not bad that way. It's just still a very weird concept for... So they're not bad that way, but it's just still a little weird to wrap my head around for some reason. Okay, well, actually by this time.